Hello. First of all, good morning. My name is Ricardo Lara Arce. I'm 36 years old. I live in Bogota. I live with my parents. I'm a lawyer and also a student. I study in engineering systems. I like reading, writing, and going to the movie theater because in this moment for the coronavirus or COVID-19, I'm home and working in my home. Let's start. Okay. I'm going to talk about to the effects negative of the technology in the environment. And the negative effects of the technology in the environment are too many. The first and easiest example of them are the batteries. The people know rechargeable batteries. This affects the climate change because people have thrown batteries in rivers, lakes, and polluted them. This also affects the marine ecosystem. Water acidification will be bigger, and they will produce deaths and illness for the flora and marine fauna because the water absorbs 50% of CO2 produced. All this causes the global warming, which is the first cause of the climatic change. From my point of view, technology is going to generate a lot of bad effects on the environment. It is going to push people into consumerism, so people are going to have lots of things that they are going to throw away in a short time. People are not conscious about this. Those objects are going to be in the trash without the correct to be in the trash in the correct treatment according to each company to generate pollution and global warming. It's necessary to avoid reduce the use of plastic and polystyrene in separate the trash because in this moment all the trash is in the same bag. I think a good idea of the government to declare the organic waste should be given to farmers for composting, and the farmers must reduce the use of the pesticides because in the farm the organic waste is for the plants, and this is a first opportunity to research the climate, the ecosystem of the earth, and so I think the people can to buy the technology with the battery of the lithium because of rechargeables, and this protects the ecosystem.